This is Eternal Blade, and welcome to part 61 of the Ork Gunwagon tutorial. Alright, first let's cut this. So cut from here to here, and then from here to here. Polygon, and extrude that up. Okay, let's go right about here. 10 is actually pretty good for us. And then select edit volley, cut from there to there. Okay, edge. You're just going to pull that edge up and give it a chamfer. And that'll be the base where our gun is. Next, let's start making the actual gun. So box, just create a box here, and go over here in your, let's see, perspective, I guess. Press Alt-B, Files, and go to wherever your pictures are. And navigate to the picture that has the gun in it, and just kind of, let's see here, select your gun mount, and then hide unselected. And then we're just going to do it this way. So just kind of match it up, I guess. Okay. And let's see here. We want to convert to editable polygon, and let's make this perspective here and bring it out a bit, about there. Looks pretty good. And then let's inset that about that much, and bring this edge down a bit, inset it a bit more. Okay, grow, deselect that polygon right there, and then make like a thing where shell casings can come out of, and then select that edge right in there, this one here in the bottom, and connect polygon, select that, extrude, and just extrude it over to about here. Select that edge and that edge, oops, that one, connect, slide it over to about there, select that too, and connect that twice with 0 slide, and make the pinch about 39. Polygon, select that polygon there, and you're going to want to actually make it a bit smaller. Bring that in a bit. Extrude that just a bit. Actually, no, it's still too big. Make it even smaller. Okay. Grab all these vertices here, bring them back, grab this entire thing, and just move it forward a bit. Okay, on the top here, edge, select that. Connect it twice, give it a pinch of about 16. Select these two, connect that once, and slide it pretty close to the end over here. Polygon, select all of those and extrude them up a tad. Select this edge and bring it back. Okay, and then select those two edges right there, connect twice, 0 pinch, and 0 slide. Okay, and then connect that once. Alright, move that up a bit. Select that, extrude that, just a tad, create a cylinder using AutoGrid that'll fit right on top of there. Convert to editable polygon, select the top, edges, chamfer. Okay. Next, you're going to want to create a cylinder right here in the middle. Align it. Okay, don't align it. Go into the front view here and just eyeball it. Okay, select this thing, vertex, select it all and just scale it. And just scale it inward a bit, I guess. Okay, select this little piece here and move that one over a bit too. Okay, shrink that a bit. Select this polygon, grab this polygon and bring it down a bit so we can increase the radius of this circle here. Okay. Convert to editable polygon, select that. You're going to want to inset it a bit, then bevel it inward just a tad. Okay, extrude it inward. Okay, bevel again, then extrude outward for the length of the barrel there. Okay. And then you're going to want to inset it a bit and extrude just a bit more. Okay, inset it a bit again. Okay, and then extrude all the way back. Okay. Next, let's what do I do next? Select all the edges. Have to do it. No way around it. Select all the edges. And loop. Deselect that one and then chamfer. Okay. That'll be it for part 61. I'll see you in part 62.